this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your age on Roblox to 13 plus so you can access all the features available for older users. First, launch your Roblox account. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Click on the option settings. Head over to the section account info. Scroll down to find the birthday option. Click on the edit icon next to it and a window will pop up where you can set your birthday correctly so that you are 13 or older. After that, click continue. Next, Roblox will send a code to email address linked to your account. Enter that code in box provided to confirm your changes. Depending on the age you set, you may be asked to verify your identity with a government ID, or you might need to ask your parent for approval. If you choose to verify with an ID, you will need to upload proof of your identity and age. If your account has parental controls enabled, you won't be able to make the change yourself. Instead, you will need to sign into the parent account or have your parent sign in. Navigate to the section Parental Controls. Once in the settings, select the account you want to change the age for. Click the Edit button and then go to Birthday option. From there, you can adjust the birthday as needed and click Continue. And that's how you can change your age on Roblox to 13 plus. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.